Hi, and welcome to another fit-for-purpose product presentation. In this segment, we'll be talking about Vauth Sagel tall storage solutions. This is the Vauth Sagel VS TAL Gate, a pantry storage system designed to be installed behind a hinged door. Now, pull-out units like this rely on the quality of the runners they slide on, and Vauth Sagel units are built on high-quality, heavy-duty runners. The entire unit is designed and made in Germany. A pantry like this is a great choice if your pantry space is right next to a wall and you don't have access from both sides. So when you open up the door, the whole frame of the TAL Gate pulls out towards you, so the contents of the cabinet come right out. This unit is available in the Premier style with white, easy wipe solid base shelves and chrome style rails. Each shelf basket has a 15 kg load capacity to a maximum of 75 kgs on the entire unit. Well, that's quite a bit of weight. And as for all pull-out pantries, you should put extra support in under the base panel, directly under the sliding mechanism. There's a number of size options for this one, for cabinets that are 450, 500 or 600 mm wide, and 3 different height options, each with an adjustability range. For those that have lots of herbs, spices, packets, etc., and need a way to keep these in order so things are easy to find, there's also a version of this unit that has extra baskets that attach to the back of your cabinet door. It's called the VS TAL Gate Pro and is available for 450 mm and 600 mm wide cabinets. And a couple of points here for the cabinet makers and kitchen makers out there. This unit has a stabilizing front frame, plus it features Vauth Sagel's Easy Fit system, which means no tools required for fitting the frame on the upper runners and also no tools needed to connect driver and support frame.